In an age of blockbuster drugs and historic civil and criminal settlements, Johnson & Johnson's franchise drug Risperdal tops them all.
This will be the largest criminal civil settlement in the history of the Ketam Act for a single drug.
Healthcare giant J&J is paying the federal government more than $2 billion in civil and criminal fines to settle charges of illegally marketing its antipsychotic drug Risperdal for the elderly and children. In the past 3 years alone, major drug companies have been hit with huge fines where illegally marketing their antipsychotic drugs was at the center of record settlements. Now J&J's Risperdal heads the list.
Everybody knows Johnson & Johnson for Band-Aids and baby shampoo and Q-tips. But this case is important nationally because it shows that no pharmaceutical or healthcare company is above the law.
McCormick's firm has represented whistleblowers in all 4 leading national settlements. And in the immediate matter, their client, a former pharmaceutical rep for J&J, blew the whistle on her company. McCormick says what really got to the whistleblower
was when she saw what the company was doing to the elderly and how they were promoting this drug to that niche market, a market of people that really couldn't do anything in response and didn't have anybody watching out for them.
Risperdal was originally approved by the Food and Drug Administration only for schizophrenia and specific types of bipolar mania. U.S. law prohibits drug companies from marketing drugs to healthcare professionals for unapproved conditions and age groups.
The way Johnson & Johnson marketed the drug to these nursing homes and the nursing home physicians was as a chemical restraint. They actually used to use the term caregiver relief because if the patient was on the drug, the caregiver didn't really have to take care of them.
This is another significant setback for J&J, who in recent years has faced legal challenges over its popular over-the-counter drug Motrin, baby shampoo that allegedly includes cancer-causing chemicals, DePuy metal-on-metal hip implants, and recently, lawsuits by women who claim serious injury from J&J's vaginal mesh. Additional lawsuits are pending where Scheller has brought over 100 cases alleging Risperdal given to young boys caused breast growth called gynecomastia, severe weight gain, and other serious side effects.
I personally believe that Risperdal is the most dangerous of all the antipsychotics, probably amongst the most horrendous injuries I've ever seen for a child.
It's a sad state of affairs right now, but the almighty dollar and the reports to the shareholders seem to be more important than patient safety. The settlements that have continued to come down, including this most recent Risperdal settlement, will continue to hopefully teach the pharmaceutical companies that they can't get away with this type of conduct.
For the American Law Journal, I'm Valerie Jones.